Well, first of all, service with a smile. Customer service is vastly important to me, and it always has been. When I was younger, I worked in service stations, and so the word service really stuck with me. And so we try and give the best possible service that is available. So, and especially for our industry needs to be updated, and that's what we're trying to do here. And I think we're doing a good job.
One of the things that I think that we do the best here is we specialize in a full customer experience. From start to finish, the whole point of me being here is to help you. One of the things I think we specialize in is integrity. Integrity to me is a very important thing. There's not a lot of people that know what that word is, but we know what that word is here. And it's the same reason that we choose to do the inspection process the way that we do. The reason that we choose to bring people back to look at their vehicles, because I want to earn your trust. I want to show you my integrity in this business, because we're in a business that's not always known for it all the time. And I'd like to turn it all upside down, and I'd like to make it right.
There's a lot of education that goes along with that we can utilize, also that we can provide to the customer, and an educated customer can make better decisions. So I never want a customer to go, oh, okay, you told me this, so then I just guess I have to do it. I don't have a choice, do I? I want the customer to feel like they know what they understand. They don't have to know the intricacies, but at least they understand why it's important, and they feel like this fits into what I understand about my car, and I need to get this taken care of, and I'm going to do this because this part is really important, and I'll come back and do this other thing, or however that works out for their particular situation.
I think that we are every bit as good, if not better, than most of the dealerships out there, especially when it comes to hybrid and plug-in electric vehicles. We work on everything that rolls, but I want to be everything we can be to everybody out there, and we want to do the best job we can.
Everything that we do is 100% transparent to the customer in the fact that we do digital inspections. Everything we do, we take pictures, there's notes. You have to be able to take this complicated machine composed of almost 250,000 moving parts that you paid all this money for, and I've got to be able to break it down to the standpoint that somebody can visually see and what happens and understands it. I feel like we do a very good job of that. I am not scared to bring a customer back underneath their car and show them why it's broken, why it needs to stay, why it needs to be fixed. Not just your car's broken and you got to fix it. I mean, anybody can do that. I would much rather be the guy that your car's broken and this is not safe for you and your family, and here's why.
I feel like the way that we do things and we put the choices in the customer's hands with the best education that we can possibly give them, I absolutely feel like it's just the right way. The fact that I feel comfortable bringing my friends here, that kind of speaks for itself. I feel good about them coming here. I don't really want them to go anywhere else. I just want them to come here so that we can take care of them. There's a lot of benefits that we offer, loaner vehicles and different kinds of things like that, but really, we just want to help and take care of people, and that's why I want them to come.
But it mostly boils down to service. If it's just we have good customer service, and I really enjoy providing that.
Once you build that trust and you have that good rapport or the relationship with people, it goes a long way, because you can trust them and keep coming back to them, and the car's in good shape. Yeah, so I like doing business with them.
They're honest, and their prices are reasonable. They make it convenient, and they do excellent work, and they do have the warranty. And all that stuff together, plus they're gonna text me when it's ready, the whole bit. I really appreciate that.
The most important thing to me is trust and honesty. Not just throwing parts at things, but finding the cause of what was really wrong. I've always been comfortable right from the start here, which I can't say about most mechanic places.
Without the customers, we're nothing. We just do whatever we can to take care of them and give them the best possible service that we can provide. So, and if somebody goes away unhappy, I want to know why they're unhappy, and I want to make it right. So we stand behind everything that we do. 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. It's a nationwide warranty. We're a Napa Auto Care, so we have Napa behind us, and if there's a problem, we have a way to take care of them. Take care of their car, get them back on the road, and make sure that they're safe. Safety is vastly important. Hi, my name is Rich Kamphaus. I'm the owner and operator of Kamphaus Auto Care, Hybrid Repair and Emissions. I'd like to invite you down to have service work done on your car. Come on in, have a cup of coffee, sit down, relax, and trust us with your service.